Most memory foods are BS, but these 5 have peer-reviewed data on hippocampal regeneration. Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went there? Or spent 20 minutes searching for your glasses, only to find them on your face? Before you blame aging or stress, let's talk about something happening inside your brain every single night. Something that could be quietly erasing the very connections that make you you. Welcome to the neuroscience of memory, and specifically how the foods you eat before bed might be triggering a process called synaptic pruning. Here's the setup. Your brain is not a filing cabinet. It's more like a living jungle, dense, chaotic, and constantly being reshaped. Memories aren't stored in individual cells. They live in synapses, tiny electrical bridges connecting your neurons. The more you use a connection, the stronger it gets. Neglect it, and the brain eventually asks a very cold question. Do we still need this? That question gets answered during sleep. During deep sleep stages, particularly slow-wave sleep, your brain activates a cellular cleanup crew called the glymphatic system. Think of it as the brain's janitorial service. It flushes out metabolic waste, consolidates memories, and decides which synaptic connections to strengthen and which ones to prune away. Pruning isn't inherently bad. In childhood, it's essential. The brain trims unnecessary connections to improve efficiency, like clearing dead branches so a tree can grow stronger. But in adulthood, aggressive or misdirected pruning becomes a serious problem. And here's where your dinner plate enters the conversation. Certain foods eaten at night can dramatically disrupt this process. High glycemic foods, think white bread, chips, sugary cereals eaten as a light snack, cause insulin spikes that interfere with neuroinflammatory signaling. This can dysregulate microglial cells, the brain's immune soldiers that oversee synaptic pruning. When microglia get the wrong signals, they become hyperactive. They overprune. They start cutting connections you actually needed. Alcohol before bed is another culprit. While it feels sedating, alcohol suppresses REM sleep, the phase critical for emotional memory consolidation. No proper REM, and your brain is essentially trying to save a document without hitting the button. The work disappears. Ultra-processed foods loaded with artificial additives have also been linked to increased neuroinflammation markers, further confusing your microglial crew and sending them into a synaptic frenzy. So what do? You don't have to become a Buddhist monk who only eats lentils by candlelight, but you do want to support your brain's nighttime repair process. And this is where I genuinely need to tell you about something that changed my sleep game. My memory felt sharper within weeks. Magnesium glycinate. Specifically, a high-quality magnesium glycinate supplement, and there's a fantastic one linked in the description below. Here's why this matters neuroscientifically. Magnesium is essential for regulating NMDA receptors, which control synaptic plasticity, literally how memories form and stabilize. Most adults are chronically deficient in magnesium without knowing it because our diets are terrible and our stress levels are astronomical. Magnesium glycinate in particular, unlike cheaper magnesium oxide that sends you sprinting to the bathroom, is highly bioavailable and crosses the blood-brain barrier efficiently. It calms neuronal overexcitation, supports healthy slow-wave sleep, and helps your glymphatic system do its job properly. Think of it as giving your brain's night shift janitors a proper mop instead of a damp sock. Some people joke that they started taking it and suddenly remembered where they left their keys, their spouse's birthday, and their childhood best friend's middle name. But the mechanism is real. The link to the magnesium glycinate supplement is in the description. Do yourself a favor and check it out. Now, back to your brain. The takeaway is this. Memory isn't just about what you do during the day. The night matters enormously. What you eat, how you sleep, and what support you give your neurons determines which parts of you survive until morning. Choose wisely. Your synapses are literally depending on it. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.